Hello, today I am here Yashika from the channel Simasi and Yashika PPT, and today I have come with a topic. It is our solar system and it is created by me, Yashika, and today first we will know about the planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets basically in our solar system. Earlier there were 9 planets in our solar system because Pluto was in our solar system. Now it is a dwarf planet because it was not having any property of a planet. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. You can see the solar system over here, and these are the planets. They look like this, and can you see here is written inner planet and here is written outer planet. Inner planets have no rings and the outer planets have rings. And as you can see the sun over here, these planets are revolving around the sun day to day. And now let's see next. Now I introduce you to the sun. Sun is the star of the solar system. It is the heaviest among the solar system. It is a ball of hot burning gases. It is the nearest star of the earth. The light from the sun takes approx 8 minutes to reach earth. And next we could know is about the dwarf planet. Yes, you know the planet. We have read it in this slide too. The planets one. It was the 9 planets one, but now it is not. Do you know? In the time it took scientists to discover it, let it be a planet for 76 years, take away its planet status, say it might be a planet again, then change their minds. Pluto never completed a full orbit around the sun. Okay. And now thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and like my videos and also share my video. Bye guys. See you in the next video.